Hello! As it turns out, I have figured out a wonderful way of doing this for you. A clear table. Look at that. So there we go. So the first step would be to undo this screw. Apologies for all of the noise. Just because you'll have better access to the plug. And that comes off. There's 2 clips. Undo the plug, and then those 2. Yeah, there you are. Pull that off. Oops. And while you're there, you could grease that. Well, oil it, really. That's the bottom bushing for the armature. Then you're going to want to have not just cut your nails. And pull that off. There we have some reasonably finished brushes, which I've just dropped. I replaced the springs already. So I guess if you're changing the brushes, it's a good thing I dropped it. What you want to do is make sure that this is sitting in its groove here, or can. So the long side goes to your right in this example, but it's going to differ because everything's going to be upside down. So you can, oh, this is kind of, there you are. You can stuff that like that. Hold it with your finger at the bottom. And I'm literally using the recording device to do this. There you are. Then you want to come around the top. Oh, yeah, see. Lower it down over that while holding the brushes. Oh, far enough. No, it's good. Line up the holes. And if this sits properly, you know that your cover is going to fit without problems. Try to put those as low as possible so that they don't touch the cover. And then, I'm pretty sure this is fully doable while it's all in the car. I'm going to do another video of everything in the car. The cover is actually identical either way. So what you want to do is you put this side. No, actually that's entirely wrong. Never mind. It's actually the longer part that goes over here, over the holes. And just gotta wiggle it because the armature is getting sucked towards either magnet. It's on. Start the screws so you don't cross thread them. They are in. Obviously I'm still waiting for brushes to come in, but don't forget to plug that back or you're gonna wonder what you did wrong. And it's done. Don't forget to plug this back. Actually, you won't even have needed to unplug it. That's the ventilation from somewhere else to cool off the motor. Thanks for watching.